Hi everyone, today I'm going to review this product which is Mercusis by T-Link. Again, this is a Chinese company, but I'm going to give it a try. D-Link is Taiwanese, and but newer products were not available. So here it is. So this is a Wi-Fi extender. I have a dead spot at home, so I'm going to try this and then review this for you. It comes like this. These are the antenna, or this antenna like that. So I'm just going to figure out a good signal area for this, plug it in and see how this works. It comes with a booklet, and I need to see whether I need to put the Ethernet wire and configure it, or will it automatically configure itself. It says connect your wireless device to the extender's network. So configure, launch a web browser, select your router's host network, enter the network password, signal password, or then talk about the Ethernet. So either you have to configure it with your computer or with your mobile. Okay, let me try this and then come back to you. I'm going to try it with the ether. Oh, there is no ether port. So it's just a wall mount. You need to configure this with your cell phone or with your laptop. Let me try this and get back to you in a while. So I'm reviewing this. Trash it. No wonder this is not going to work, because I should have known and ordered something made in Vietnam or Korea or Japan or something. Or excuse me. So I spent 45 minutes very patiently trying to log in through following the instructions, but this does not connect to the host network easily, and instructions are not like, you would like plug it in and it just starts working. It takes an effort. You have to create login ID, you have to go to the website that they say, then you have to create a login ID, then you have to connect this device to the host network, but this device doesn't connect to the host network so easily. Speed, that bandwidth also, this is not picking up. And so from my side it is 0 and 5. I hope Amazon has a return policy on this, because it's a waste of my money. I spent some thousand something on this thing, and it's called a range extender, and I should not have experimented with this. What a waste of my money. So do not, absolutely do not waste your money on this. And it doesn't connect at all with the host network. So I'm going to create a return with Amazon and ask them to please take this trash bag. It's not working. And then I might order a D-Link router as a range extender. So yep, wrong choice, bad choice. It doesn't work. Come back for more, and in case you have a good recommendation for a range extender or a booster, Wi-Fi booster, let me know. No, because I have a lot of dead spots in my house. Come back for more. See you.